In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate reminders with Asana rules. We're going to walk through how to set up a simple automation that reminds you about tasks one day before they're due. This is really helpful if you want to stay ahead of deadlines without constantly checking your task list. First, open Asana and head to the project where you want these reminders to run. This could be a team project, a personal to-do list, or any space where you track tasks with due dates. Make sure you actually have due dates set on your tasks, because the rule we're about to create depends on that information. Once you're inside the project, look toward the right side of the screen for the Customize option. Go ahead and click Customize. This opens up a panel where you can manage different features for your project, like fields, forms, and, most importantly for us, rules. In that Customize panel, find and click on Rules. Rules are Asana's way of letting you say, when something happens, automatically do this other thing. We're going to build one tailored to reminders. Next, click on the Add button to create a new rule. Asana may show you some templates here, but for full control over how the reminder works, choose the option to start from scratch. This lets you define exactly what triggers the rule and what action Asana should take. You'll now see a rule builder with two main parts: when and then. Click on the When area to choose your trigger. From the list of triggers, select Due date is approaching. This tells Asana you want something to happen based on how close a task is to its due date. After that, adjust the timing. By default, you might see something like Due today. Click on that and change it to 1 day before. This means the rule will fire 1 day before the due date of any task in this project. You can always tweak this later if you want more or less lead time. Once that's set, click back on the When section to confirm your trigger. Then simply follow the on-screen prompts Asana provides to finish setting up the rule. Typically, this is where you'll choose what actually happens when the trigger is met, such as sending a comment, assigning the task to someone, or posting a reminder to a specific teammate. When you're done, save the rule. From now on, Asana will automatically send